Good morning, dear children. I hope that you all are keeping well. So, welcome to the mathematics class. Children, do you remember what all we have learnt in the previous class? Yes, we have learnt about 2D shapes. 2D shapes are the shapes which are having only length and breadth, isn't it, children? And the name of the some basic shapes are rectangle, square, triangle, circle. And today we are going to learn about 3D shapes. What are 3D shapes, children? Let us see. 3D shapes are the shapes, or we can say these are the solid shapes having three measurements or three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. So these kind of shapes are known as 3D shapes. Children, can you find some 3D shapes in your homes? Of course, yes, we can find number of things which are available in our homes, and those shapes are known as 3D figures. So let us see a few examples over here, children. Look, children, shoe box, mobile box, Rubik cube, birthday cap, dice, glass tumbler, talcum powder, crayon box, this orange, tomato. These are the examples of 3D figures. Children, the shape of dice and the Rubik cube is quite similar to the cube. Now, what is a cube? Shall we study the property of cube? So, let's start. Children, a cube is a 3D figure which are having 6 flat surfaces, and all the surfaces or faces are in square in shape. Let me show you one video. Look, this is the open structure of a cube. Can you count? There are 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me try to unfold all the 6 faces which are square in shape. See what am I doing here? Yes, I am going to fold all the 6 faces in a form of cube, and here it is, children. That means it is proof that a cube has 6 faces. Now let us see how many edges does it contains. Look, edges means beta sides. So it has 12 edges. Let us count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now let us count the corners, or we can say vertices in mathematical language. Okay, children? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 vertices. Children, this blue marked boundary is known as face. Okay, so it has 6 faces. Just now I have showed you with the help of a video. Children, these are the example of a cuboid. Okay, so let us learn the property of a cuboid. Look, children, cuboid also have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges, just like a cube. But what is the difference between cube and cuboid? So, in the case of cuboid, all the 6 faces are rectangular. But in the case of a cube, all the 6 faces are square. Children, can you identify these kind of figures where you can find top and bottom are the flat circle, but the middle portion is curved? You must be thinking how it is and what is known by curved surface. So let me tell you with the help of a paper folding. Children, here I have taken a rectangular shape paper, okay, and I'm going to fold it. Can you see I have folded it, and both the two ends are in circular shape. Alright, and the middle part is in curved shape. So children, cylinder is a 3D shape which contains bottom and top as circular plane surface, and the middle portion is curved surface. It has got 2 edges as you can see in the picture, and it does not have any corner or vertices. Fine, children? Can you identify these example of which 3D figure is? Yes, this is known as cone. Yes, cone is also a 3D figure, children, in which it has 1 vertex, 1 curved surface, 1 circular plane surface and 1 edge. Children, what do you think? These are the examples or the pictures of a circular object or something else? Yes, these are the examples of sphere. Now, what is a sphere? Sphere is also a 3D object, children, but it contains only curved surface. There is no plane surface in it, and it does not contain any vertices nor any edge. So these are the other examples of a sphere. I hope, children, that you all have understood this topic very well. Stay home, stay safe, be happy always. Thank you, children.